there's so much unknown. What's going on? What is the state going to do? What is the municipalities going to do? What are the, you know, what is the insurance going to do for us? And do you guys have any information that you could help out with? And what I share with them is our experience. Cutting Edge Homes has had a lot of experience with the fires up north. So we're familiar with this. We've helped our customers go through these tragedies. I listen to their stories because I could only imagine what they're going through. They have family members calling in that are trying to get information. One of the ladies called me yesterday. Her cousin lost everything. And so you see family members and friends jumping in to get this information and, ask the hard questions. What's the timeline? What's the process? What do you do? What if there's another fire? What happens? I tell them, let's go through this together and I will show you. If you want to add extra stuff on there to protect your home, we're going to be able to help you out. How about if I schedule an appointment, you come to our factory? No pressure, no commitment. You come to our factory and I'll show you that we're real. I'll show you that we're family and that you're going to be part of our family when it's all said and done. As your home is being built in our factory, I will be there every step of the way. Whether we do from A to Z or if we just meet in the middle and build their home, we're still going to be there to help them.